TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. Dow right now is up 97. You get the Nasdaq up 50. S&Ps are up 14.5. We have the gold contract down $6 at 1,101. Now, gold caught a nice bid last few days, so you're pulling back with lighter volume. Gold wants higher price. Silver's down 31 cents, $14.02. Silver finally did catch a bid yesterday. You had some good buying, went up. I want to see silver stay over the $14 level. Platinum's up $5 at $8.82. We have the copper market flat at $2.02. Light sweet crude still can't catch a bid. You're down 12 cents, $33.16. Bonds. Now, the bond market, folks, I suspect that the bond market has topped out. The 10-year this morning is flat, 127.03. 30-year is down 15 ticks, 155.17. In both instances, when the first off, it couldn't catch a bid yesterday as the market's down over 400 points. This morning, as the job number came out, both the 10 and the 30-year spiked down intraday, huge volume. Right now, we have the 10-year flat. The 30's off 13, but that is saying the probability goes much higher that the bonds are going to go lower bonds, higher yield. King dollar up 478 ticks, 98.75. The euro is at 108 and the yen is at 118. We go over to the market, we take a look at the market. This is what you have. The SPY came into the October 2nd level. You come into that level and you had some juice coming into that level. We come in with 213 million shares. The October 2nd is your benchmark on this level. The high of that is 195.03. You come down, we bounce. I expect you're going to get a bounce here. The key in this bounce is that we had come down with volume for 5 days in a row. You get a bounce with lighter volume. What that is doing, that is setting up an ABC structure on the way down. It is building cause. It's building cause to get into the August 24th lows. We look at the NDX 100. Same type of setup in the NDX 100. You come down fast, furious, expansion of volume, and we're going to have an expansion of volume now on the daily and on the weeklies. As you bounce with lighter volume, what that sets up is that sets up lower prices coming at us. Gold contract, we take a look at gold. Gold caught the bid on the way up, big volume. In fact, we still have big volume today, and you got to a higher high. So that's a really bullish occurrence inside the gold market. Gold has hit 1113 today. You're 1102 right now. You have the volume behind the move. Gold wants to move up to this 1192 area. We go over and we take a look at the 10-year bond. What we have with the 10-year bond is this. 10-year bond has traded from 127.06 as a high to 126.18 as a low. You can expect the volatility to continue in this market. What I expect you're going to see, though, is when that job number come out, we have 125,000 contracts down at lower prices on the 10-year as well as the 30-year. We go take a look at King Dollar. What do you have with King Dollar? What King Dollar's done out here is this. King Dollar yesterday gave it up on price, gave it up on volume. It came off those highs with volume. Now what you're doing a counter trend bounce once again with lighter volume. King Dollar, this is the dollar index. It's at 98.68. I expect that wants to get down into this 97.03 number. Oil. What do we have with the oil market? Oil is still in trouble, folks. Okay, bottom line, oil market. Oil market is trading out here this morning at a price point of $33.10. Oil is an ABC structure on the way down. It looks like that oil is going to not only go into 30. I suspect what we're going to be hitting out here is the $28.25 mark, which is about as intense as you can get because that break of under 30 is pretty extensive. To wrap it all up, what you have, you came down with volume. I expect you're going to bounce a bit here with light volume on the way up. What that sets up lower prices coming at us in the next 3, 4, 5 weeks. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking at right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
It's true. Life is all about choices. At Everbank, they're making it easy for you to make a smart one with this special cash offer. Open a new Yield Pledge money market account with funds from another financial institution, or deposit new funds into an existing Yield Pledge money market account, and you could earn up to a $500 cash reward. And if you're opening a new account, you'll also get their new higher 6-month bonus interest rate, along with their Yield Pledge promise that ensures your yield will always be in the top 5% of competitive accounts at banks nationwide. Open a new account or add to one. It's your choice. To qualify, you must meet balance and other limited time offer requirements. Go to everbank.com/TFNN for details and deposit options, or speak with one of their banking specialists at 1-855-750-4051 for more information. You must act by December 31st, 2015 to be eligible. Everbank is a member FDIC.